Yeah.
Okay, well, let's look around a little more. Get your basket.
Oh, this heavy basket. This is a heavy basket for me.
Yeah.
Where is the basket? Where is our egg from? Where is the egg? I see it. I see it.
Then you come back over here.
Where's the banana?
There's one there, too. I saw a different one.
What?
There's one left.
You need 5 eggs. Well, you need 5 left. You need 1 more egg.
That's it, I think. We'll have to count and see.
I found it. I found
Mr.
it.
Bunny's so clever. He hid eggs in good spots. Okay, how many are there?